Chainat Bird Park. Chainat Bird Park is located 4 kilometers before the township of Chainat on Route Number 1. It is the home to hundreds of birds, both native to Thailand and other countries. Early morning and late afternoon are excellent times to bird watch as most bird species are feeding during these times. In total, the whole park covers more than 260 rides, which is divided into two parts. The main aviary and the outside area display more than 60 cages in different sizes to house a wide variety of birds. Built in 1983, the giant aviary is 26 meters high, with 80 meters long suspension footbridge at the base of Khao Phong Hill. Here used to be one of the largest enclosures in Southeast Asia, covering the area of 30 lights. The steep, almost vertical hillside rising about 100 meters high make Khao Phong Hill an ideal location to attack a hill net depth over steel tower down to the ground. To our birds to find freely, as if in a natural woodland. This also creates pleasant shades and a peaceful environment for the surrounding landscape. Among the many less than great hornbills, white hornbill and peacock are the most popular birds at this park, including a collection of bird species, from parrots and macaws to vultures and hawks to flamingo birds and cassowary. Four large ponds are located within the Chainat Bird Park to provide water resources for all walks of life in the park and recreation for visitors. The largest one in the middle has swan-shaped paddle boats available for rental, and plenty of fish to be fed. Chainat Bird Park is also a home for freshwater aquariums featuring rare and nearly extinct species live in the Chao Phraya River, such as Siam tigerfish, Siam log catfish, common anglerfish, Thamix kissing gourmet, red chicks, brown-stick fish-back, Sumatra tiger barb, and so on. A walk-through tunnel underneath a large fish tank is the highlight of the park's aquarium building. Science Center and planetarium, such as a scientific learning center for students and the general public. Aspects of the universe and 3D movies are projected onto a dome ceiling 4 to 5 times a day. Approximately 30 minutes daily show a story on the rising and setting of the sun and the moon, the solar system and the zodiac. There are also interactive exhibitions on space travel, astronomy through the light and the light of stars, and the solar system. The Space Water Park in the Bird Park Complex Provinces Administration Organization built a water park space by embarking on the construction of a water park space on approximately 10 rides. The park had 5 water slides coming out of a huge rubber-shaped finger. Entrance fees, Thai citizens adult 30 baht and children 15 baht. The Bird Eggs Museum displays many birds from different species. The bird eggs are collected from both Thailand and around the world. The purpose is to collect bird eggs that are extinct. It is the only one in Thailand about the life cycle of birds and protein. The Tourist Information Center features impressive exhibition booths on history and minority groups of Chainat Province, and the old-style motorboat serves as a mini theater, showing video on Thai ways of life along the 3 rivers of China, the Chao Phraya, the Tha Chin, and the Noi rivers. The visit to the park will not be complete without visiting the souvenir shop, where can you find quality local products, right wicker-work items, snacks, and OTOP products. The aquarium and planetarium are open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, while the bird park is open from 8 o'clock in the morning until 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Entrance fees for adult foreigner 100 baht and children 50 baht. For Thai citizen, adult 30 baht and children 50 baht.